Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, let's make your hamstrings lean, mean jeans machines with HighHammockHamPulls on the pad with leash resistance. On a sturdy fence, make your hammock by looping your leash handles over the horizontal bar. Pull the clips through their own handles, then clip the clips together. You can also clip your hammock on the chains between two swings. Here we create a hammock in a park pavilion using 4 leashes strapped around parallel beams. Lie on your back and rest your heels in the hammock. You can put a towel on the strap for added comfort. Plank your butt off the ground, then drive your heels back towards your glutes. Control your heels slowly back to a plank position, keeping the tension in your hamstrings on the back of your legs. And if that's easy, you probably haven't done enough of them yet. Check your equipment before every workout, have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it. To build your hamstrings into hogs, sling your heels up in HighHammockHamPulls on the path of leash resistance.